All right, let's look at the odd number questions in the review. So, there's a theorem that, and you guys won't see this on your actual test because we never really went over it. But 5 minus 2 times 180 is equal to 540. So there's a theorem that says that the number of sides minus 2 times 180 is the interior angle sum. So that means that 540 is equal to 89 plus x plus 83 plus 90 plus 119. So then the missing angle is 159 degrees. Okay, and then 3, let's see. So measure of angle 1 is 38. That is alternate interior angles. And then measure of angle 2 is equal to, so this is 38, 38 plus 99 plus measure of angle 2 is equal to 180. So measure of angle 2 is 43. And then that makes measure of angle 3, 99. All right, moving right along to question 5. So this is 63. This is also 63. That makes, let's see, 117 is this angle here, because 63 plus 117 has to equal 180. So then if that's 117, then 117 plus 37 plus measure of angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. So let's see. So measure of angle 1 is equal to 37. That's alternate interior angles. And then measure of angle 2 is equal to 26. And then measure of angle 3 is also equal to 26 by alternate interior angles. And then 7, just draw a real quick parallelogram. Oops. A, B, C, D. So then 2y is here, y plus 3 is here, 5x minus 1 is there, and 2x plus 4 is there. So that means that y plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 4, and 2y is equal to 5x minus 1. So then y is equal to 1/2 5x minus 1. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. So 1/2 5x minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 4. So then 1/2 5x minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 1. So then multiply by 2. So 5x minus 1 is equal to 4x plus 2. So that x is equal to 3. So then 2y is equal to 5 times 3 minus 1. So that's 14. So y is 7. Okay. And then determine whether or not the quadrilateral must be a parallelogram. No. It's just talking about vertical angles are congruent, which does not tell you anything about a parallelogram. What values would make this a parallelogram? So that means that 3y minus 20 has to equal 2x plus 6. 4y plus 4 has to equal 4x. So we'll take the second equation here and say that x is equal to y plus 1. So then 3y minus 20 is equal to 2 times y plus 1 plus 6. So 3y minus 20 is equal to 2y plus 8. So y is equal to 28. So that means that x is equal to 29. Okay. And then I want to figure out what's going on with this isosceles trapezoid. So measure of angle 1 plus 45 is equal to 180. So measure of angle 1 is 135. That's same side interior angles. Measure of angle 3 is also 45. And measure of angle 2 is 135. And then 15. So 15. So measure of angle 1 is 90 by some kite theorem. And then measure of angle 2 plus 65 plus 90 is equal to 180. So measure of angle 2 is equal to 25. Triangle, angle, sum theorem. And then 17. Trapezoids with base. Has lengths of 6x minus 1 and 3 units. The mid-segment has length 5x minus 3. What's the value of x? So 5x minus 3 is equal to 1/2. 6x minus 1 plus 3. So 10x minus 6 is equal to 6x plus 2. So then 4x is equal to 8. So x is equal to 2. And then we jump all the way to 21. True or false, or sometimes, always, and never true. A rhombus is a square sometimes. A rhombus is a rectangle sometimes. The diagonals of a parallelogram. Oh, let's do the other one. Opposite angles of a parallelogram always congruent. And that's it for the odd number questions.